Hi, and welcome to the course on brackets and using brackets, which is the editor that I use in a lot of the courses. I also get asked about brackets quite often from students, so I decided to create this course that will give you a quick guide on how to use brackets. My name is Lawrence, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I've come to you with many years of web development experience, and over the years I have used quite a few different editors. One of my favorite ones to use and that I'm using to the current day is Brackets, and this is available at Brackets.io. It's an Adobe product. It's a very versatile and flexible editor, especially when you're writing front-end code, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is by far one of my favorite editors. Now, there's quite a few of these open source free editors that are available online, and Brackets over the past few years has really become super popular, and as mentioned, I do use it in most of the courses that I produce. Teaching courses that I have, I'm using Brackets in the background. That's why I get quite a few questions from students about different extensions I'm using, different themes, and how to do things with brackets. So in this course, I'm going to show you how to do those. I've also included a handy PDF that can walk you through the content that's going to be covered in the upcoming lessons. So you can use it as a resource guide. It's got some useful links as well as some code and screenshots to really help you along the way in order to better understand how to use brackets more effectively and efficiently. If you have any questions or comments, I'm always happy to help. If you want to share your favorite themes, any of the extensions that you're using, please feel free to do so. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to hear more about your experience with using brackets. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to post, and I'm always happy to add to this course, add additional videos to clarify anything that you need to know about brackets. So let's get started using brackets.